Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. Indeed. Then we have one rogue bird. Right there. Got one. Big red. Who the heck is... Hey, where'd he come from? He don't even fit in. Reminds me of the penguins. Penguins on a rock. Penguins out there in the middle of the flippin' Arctic, working their way through the tundra and all that. Frozen wasteland, trying to get to there wherever they're going. That's what that reminds me of. Birds of a feather flock together. Thank you. Thank you very much. Who the hell is that guy?